Hey guys, what's up? So today I wanted to do a glam pink makeup tutorial. I don't know what I'm calling this, but I am going out tonight for a special occasion and I wanted to do a glam look that kind of incorporated a little bit of pink, orange, and gold. I really don't know what I'm going to title this right now, but if you want to know how I achieved this glam look, just keep on watching. Alright, so I zoomed you guys in just close enough so that it doesn't unfocus a lot, because I know in a lot of tutorials that gets really annoying. So I'm just starting off with my eyes. So the first thing I do is my brows. I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Brow Wiz, and I love this because it has a spoolie and then a pencil, so you can have the best of both worlds. So I'm gonna just brush up my brows like that. I'm really lucky to have like pretty full and dark, I was about to say lashes, dark brows, so I don't have to fill it in too much. Once they're filled in, I'm gonna go in with some clear brow gel. This is also from Anastasia. This stuff is like super glue for your brows. Then I'm gonna take some Scotch tape and I'm gonna tape my eyes because we are gonna move on to the shadow. So I like to follow my waterline. It's like a happy face. Sorry I keep looking up, that's where the viewfinder is. But it's like a happy face, and then you wanna just follow that line. And again, follow your waterline. And it kind of just goes like a smiley face. This also helps so that when you eventually do your liner, it comes out even and you're not like, oh my god, is one higher than the other? Then I'm going to take a little bit of eye primer and prime my eyes. I love this primer from Revlon. It's amazing. I've found that drugstore primers work really well for me. I use this Revlon one on my eyes and then the Maybelline Skin something primer. You guys will see. I think I've even talked about it in a favorites video, but both of these are so amazing, and a little bit of both go a very long way. Okay, so now for shadow, I'm going to take my Tarte Clay Play Volume 2 palette, which looks just like this. It is a gorgeous neutral palette. So these are the shades. I love this palette so much. It's so gorgeous. So today I'm gonna go for a pinky rose gold look. I'm going in with the color Journey right here. I'm gonna be taking this flat shader Wet n Wild brush. I'm just gonna pick up a little bit of this color. The pigmentation in this is amazing. So I'm just gonna place this in my crease. And I love the tape for this too because it gives the shadow a really clean look as well. So I love this Wet n Wild brush so much. I have two of them. So I'm going to take a clean brush and highlight my brow bone. I'm going to be going in with MAC's Double Gleam. This is a gorgeous highlighter. I just pick a little bit up on my brush, tap off any excess, and then apply this to my brow bone. I like to apply my highlight usually before my glitter and even before my crease color, but I'm gonna be so honest, half the time I forget, just like I did right now. So I'm just gonna apply some right onto the brow bone, and then I'm gonna take a little bit and apply it in the inner corner. I swear, highlighting your brow bone makes the biggest difference. I'm gonna be going in with my Soft Glam palette. It got really dirty, I'm not gonna lie. So these are the shades. They are so gorgeous. I'm gonna pick up a little bit of glistening. Then I'm just gonna apply this right onto the lid, and I'm gonna kind of go as if I'm making a wing, but not very neatly because we are gonna blend everything. But I like to apply it that way and then kind of bring it horizontally like this. These two palettes combined are like my dream palette. Basically, it kind of reminds me of the new Nude from Huda Beauty, and I love that palette, but it was like, I believe it's like $60 or $70. I'll put the price right here. I was definitely going to invest in that, but I felt like these two kind of had more colors I could work with on a daily basis, and I really go for a soft glam whenever I want a glam look. So that's why I went for these two. And then I'm going to take the other side and just blend it all together. Sorry this keeps coming up. It's bugging me so much. Once it blends together, it creates such a gorgeous combo. It really reminds me of Woodwinked a little bit, but with more golden than bronze. Now moving on to liner, I'm going to be going in with my Fenty Beauty liner, and I'm just going to be creating some little baby wings. Alright, so my tape has been so eager to come off. So when you peel off the tape, you are left with some very, very sharp and clean wings. I like to clean up any glitter that has fallen and is now on my face, and then I like to just clean up the wings a little bit, make them a little sharper and a little more even. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I will be right back. Okay, so that is the completed eyeshadow. Now going in with lashes, I'm going to be using these Kiss Blowout lashes. I absolutely think they're so gorgeous. I just recently started getting into lashes. If you guys are not really into lashes or you don't know how to apply lashes, I swear by this Buxom mascara. It is absolutely amazing. I have tried so many different mascaras to achieve fake looking lashes. It gives your lashes a lot of definition and a lot of length, which I absolutely love. And believe me when I say I have tried a lot of mascaras. I have tried everything from a drugstore to Dior. This is the Dior mascara and Dior primer, and absolutely nothing gave me the same kind of results that the Buxom one did. So I highly recommend it. I think it is only $20. I'll put the price right here for you guys. I really recommend it. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw on some lashes, and then I will be right back. Okay, so this is the completed eye makeup. I just added the Kiss lashes and then added some mascara. I used the Buxom one. I seriously swear by this mascara. It's not sponsored, I wish. I just found that especially when you're blending your real lashes and the fake lashes together, you want it to look natural, of course. So for my lashes, whether they're really simple or they're like very like full and fluttery, I really like to add mascara at the top. I know that, oh, it's super bad for your lashes, but I honestly only wear my lashes like 2-3 times if they're from the drugstore. But if they're like MAC or from like Sephora or something, I do try to get like at least 7 or 8 wears out of them, because I like actually take really good care of them. But for these, I did add kind of a ton of mascara onto the actual fake lashes. But I really love the outcome. I think like the crease and the highlight and everything combined, it's really pretty, and you can honestly go ahead and add more glitter if you think you want that, more brow highlight. This is the completed eye makeup. So now that we are completed with the eye makeup, we're gonna move on to our foundation. So I like to set my eye makeup and kind of just refresh my face with MAC's Fix Plus. So I'm just gonna go in a T and an X. I love this stuff. It's so nice and refreshing, and it really hydrates your face, especially when you kind of just don't want to use your hands to wash your face, or if you're wearing foundation or something. It's so nice. It also preps your skin for foundation. However, I do like using another primer, this Maybelline Baby Skin Primer. A little bit of this goes a very long way. So I just take a little bit on the back of my hand and apply that all over my face. I love this primer. I swear by it. It's so amazing, and it's so easily like accessible, and you can literally get it, I think, at all drugstores. I've seen it at Walgreens, CVS, and I think Rite Aid has it, but I don't know. But CVS and Walgreens definitely have it. Do not forget your neck, and our skin is prepped for foundation. The foundation I'm going to be using is my favorite Lancome foundation. I'm going to take 2 pumps on the back of my hand. This beauty blender is not by the brand Beauty Blender. It is by Morphe, and I honestly love it because of this side where it's great for baking, for sculpting. So I press it into my skin and kind of go in a bouncing motion. You don't want to be that person who doesn't blend their foundation. I'm not gonna lie, when it comes down to my neck, sometimes I drag it a little bit. That's just because I get really lazy. And then I drag it like around my brow because I don't want to get it on my brow. Don't forget your hairline. And then, oh my god, no, I got it in my other eyebrow. Do not forget about the outer corners, like the outer edges of your face. I used to always forget that. And I have never used a brush to blend and to do my foundation. I think a beauty blender is just the best way to go. And especially a damp beauty blender. I sometimes don't even damp my beauty blender just because I don't have time to, and I see the biggest difference from when I do damp it like I am right now and have it right now versus when I don't damp it. I also put on lipstick just to kind of, I was playing around with which lipstick I want to wear. So I do have Max Taupe on right now. So then if you ever have like extra, like too much, just bring it down your neck because a blended face is a lot better than an unblended face. And this coverage is like amazing. This foundation is probably one of the most expensive items I have in my makeup collection, and I swear by it, and it's lasted me so long. It's gonna expire in April of 2019. So I'm gonna go pick up another one, and I might have changed in shade by then. I'm almost done with it. There's like a little bit left, but still only 2 pumps to cover my entire face, and it just makes my skin look so amazing. I love it. So now I am done with the foundation, and now I'm gonna set it with powder. I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Born This Way powder. I love the packaging. It is so pretty. I am just going to be using this e.l.f. pointed powder brush. So I'm just going to apply my powder like so. I love e.l.f. brushes. I think I only have like 2 MAC brushes. And now that we are done with most of the base, I'm gonna go ahead and set my makeup. They recommend if you're oily to go in a T, and if you're just not oily, just to go in an X. I think that's what I've heard. Alright, and now my favorite part, highlighter. So now I'm gonna go back in with Double Gleam by MAC. So I'm taking a MAC 129S brush, and I swear the brushes, gorgeous. The brushes do make a difference. I have noticed, like, I think e.l.f. and Wet n Wild have really great blending brushes, and e.l.f. in general has really great brushes and fake eyelashes as well. So I kind of pack on the highlight. I don't do blush. I feel like my cheeks are naturally really red. I know on camera right now I kind of am a little washed out, but that's just because of the lighting, because I am filming at night right now. I really have naturally like very pink cheeks, so I always just love a lot of highlight. That's like my thing. I've been so obsessed with highlighter, and I like to keep it higher so that it just looks more natural. I have to show you guys this highlighter palette I've been using a lot. This is the Hyper Real Glow palette. It's very dirty, but it comes with these 3 gorgeous shades. They're so pretty. I always go back and forth between this Hyper Real Glow palette and Double Gleam. I think they're all 4 of them are very pretty shades. So then I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to take a little bit of the highlighter and apply it on my nose. So I like to go in kind of like an exclamation point, go down the bridge of my nose and make a dot right on the tip of my nose. I love that little highlight right on the tip of the nose. I think it is so like tumbler and so cute. Make sure you blend on the bridge of your nose. Alright, so I removed the lipstick I was wearing before. Before I do lipstick, I'm going to set my makeup once again. And the final step is lipstick, and I'm going to go in with a Rosewood from Anastasia. So this is the completed makeup. I am absolutely obsessed with the lashes, and this lip color has been like my new obsession. I know in like the past I've always just worn like taupes and like taupey pinks and taupey browns and stuff, but this is a really big game changer for me. Darker lipsticks definitely make a look more glam. So yeah, this is the completed makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, I will talk to you guys later.